Congratulations, you've just received your color palette in the mail, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to put it together. First, we're going to start with your contour. This is the darkest color. We'll work from the darkest to the lightest. You're going to slide, remove the lid off, but you're going to hang on to this because I'm going to show you how to use it later on. Then you go ahead and slide it into your palette. It is magnetized. And another tip that I did, when you receive your invoice, you can go ahead and cut out the names of your colors and you can just tap them onto your palette. Your second color will be your bronzer. Then your main highlight. And I have two brighteners, candlelit and linen. And then last but not least will be your setting powder. So go ahead and put that in there too. And there you have it. And remember I said to hang on to the lid. If you need to change or remove the tin, you're just going to apply it in between and pop it out. It's that easy. That way your fingers won't get in your makeup. And go ahead and reinsert that in and just tap it in. Then for the bottom portion of your palette, you're going to insert your illuminator, and this is going to highlight your cheeks, your nose area, the top of your lip, and your chin. Then you can add your lip and cheek colors. Every girl needs a bright red lipstick. And then also you can add your eyeshadows. See how simple it is? They just slide in. They are magnetized so they won't fall out if you're carrying this in your purse. And voila, that's it. You constructed your first customized Seint palette. Congratulations, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Enjoy!